a look at this battery charger. So you can see I've got some electrical tape around it. It's a 12-volt battery charger for charging. So, type of lead acid or car battery, 2 crocodile leads, mains plug, no switches or anything, it's all nice and simple. So the connections here are a bit dubious, so I'm going to look at refurbishing that, and we've got sticky tape on these because the insulation has failed and there's not many wires left holding that on. So I'm going to open up the box and first of all shorten these cables back and then tidy it up. So let's get on the inside. The loose one. So we've got mains coming in, gets grounded to the transformer there, and got diode, bridge rectifier pack, a couple of resistors, and yeah. There's a 612 which is just a high-low setting, doesn't actually change the output voltage of the terminal, it's just the amount of current it delivers. So black wire comes in through the front, goes to that terminal, red wire comes in through the front and goes off to the back of the ammeter. So I think what I'll do is I'll definitely need to, oh yeah, they're both broken there, so we'll cut those both out and we'll replace them from there. So let's just trim those off the front, wires to the side, on the floor, front clip's a little bit mangled there. Okay, so I'm not quite sure how it's actually meant to come apart, but it turns out if you press the back of it, it just pops forward. So I just need to open that up. It has been glued in previously, so it's got silicone goop on it. It's got a couple of little locking tabs. It's a press-in quarter-turn job, so the locking tabs presumably were meant to do that. So there are the 2 wires for the output. So what I need to do is feed fresh wire through there. So what I want to do is add some strain relief to the cable. I wonder if I can get this in, or is that going to be too thick? It's going to be a little on the fat side. That might work. So that's just a piece of mains cable. I wanted to put that in like that, so the cables had got a little bit of strain relief as they came away from the box. And I was going to just strain relief with, put that over the wires and then slide that over the joint just to help the bend radiuses. So I shall take both of these. The idea is slide them down the sleeve, which I feel of it, I need a bit of lubrication on, so I'll just sort that out privately. Okay, so I've remade both of these and wrapped them in tape. Only got brown tape, Celovi. And I've put extra bit of heat shrink on there. I put that in there and actually locked it into the tabs this time. So that should be good. So we are in there. Well, now just putting it back together. So put the top on. And we will be finished. Screws in, and grab a battery and check the output in a minute. I'll bring you back when that's done. Okay, testing time. So that's a voltmeter, 20 volt scale. Wire comes, I've just connected it to the negative of that battery pack. So this is a very flat battery, got 7 volts in it. First of all, let's just see what the charger outputs. Need to plug it in, turn it on. So 13.9 volts is its regulated voltage. And you can put that on the battery there. The gauge needle wagged a little bit. When the load came up, it's now putting 14 volts across the battery. So it's all good. Should be able to leave that clipped on there. Yeah, so I can see the gauge, current gauge there move as it puts current into the cells. So the load of the battery is 8 volts. I think the reason I got this battery, dead self. Due to go for recycling, but anyway, the charger's working, so all good. Job complete.